Ever wondered why some people effortlessly achieve financial success while others struggle? It all comes down to one thing: the right mindset. Join us on an enlightening journey to understand the incredible impact of your mindset on your financial outcomes. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of mindset and wealth, highlighting the importance of adopting a millionaire mindset, especially if you're just beginning your path towards financial prosperity. Ready to take control of your financial future? Simply hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and watch the full video. Your journey to financial abundance starts right here. Let's start with the basics. What is a wealthy mindset? A wealthy mindset is all about having a specific way of thinking, feeling, and behaving that paves the way for financial success. It's like having a powerful toolkit for building wealth. Firstly, it involves having a positive attitude towards wealth. This means believing that there's an abundance of wealth available for everyone to achieve, so you don't need to take from others. It's about viewing money as a tool that can be used not just for your benefit, but also to create opportunities and make a positive impact in the world. It also includes feeling deserving of financial success and believing that you have every right to enjoy abundance. Secondly, a wealthy mindset entails recognizing and overcoming limiting beliefs. These are the negative ideas you might have about money, such as thinking that money is evil or that only a select few can become wealthy. Overcoming these limiting beliefs involves challenging them and replacing them with positive affirmations and empowering thoughts. In essence, it's about fostering a mindset that is open and welcoming to financial abundance and success, essentially creating a mental environment that allows wealth to flow in. The importance of goal setting. Imagine your financial journey is like a road trip, and having clear financial goals is like having a detailed map to guide you. Without these goals, it's like setting out on a road trip without a destination in mind, making it difficult to measure progress or figure out the steps to financial success. So, when you set financial goals, you're essentially defining where you want to go. Firstly, it's essential to be specific about your goals. Instead of vague wishes for more money, you specify what you want to achieve, such as saving a certain amount, paying off debts, or starting an investment fund. These specific goals act as signposts on your financial journey, giving you a clear sense of direction. Secondly, breaking down larger goals into smaller, actionable steps is like dividing your long road trip into manageable segments. It helps you stay motivated because you can see progress in smaller, achievable chunks. Lastly, setting realistic timelines and deadlines is akin to having checkpoints along the way. It ensures you stay accountable and on track towards your financial destination. By setting financial goals, you're aligning your actions with your financial desires and steering your financial ship in the right direction. It sharpens your focus, making it much more likely that you'll achieve financial success because you have a clear path to follow. Mastering money management. Building and maintaining good financial habits is like becoming a money management pro. It's all about handling your money wisely and making it work for you in the long run. Here's how you can do it in simple terms. First, create a budget. Think of it as a plan for your money. Just like you plan your day, you plan where your money goes. This helps ensure you save for important things and have enough for everyday expenses. Next, track your expenses. It's like keeping a diary of what you spend. By doing this, you can see where your money is going. This is important because it helps you identify if you're spending too much on things that aren't very important. It's like being a detective for your spending. Lastly, invest for the future. Imagine your money is like a tree that can grow. To make it grow, you need to plant it in different places, just like you plant different types of plants in a garden. This is called investing. Over time, your money can grow, helping you have more in the future. By following these steps, you can take control of your money, reach your financial goals, and build a better financial future. It's like building a strong foundation for a big, strong house. Adopting a growth mindset. Think of your mind as a superpower, and to aim for a wealthy mindset, you need a growth mindset. It's like having a belief that your mind is like a muscle that can get stronger with exercise. This means understanding that you can keep acquiring new knowledge and skills, adapt to challenges, and make continuous improvements in your life. It's much like believing in your brain's ability to learn and grow over time, and it's essential when you're on the path to financial success. To adopt a growth mindset, you need to, firstly, be passionate about learning and self-improvement, much like someone who loves a hobby or a sport. You need to have the curiosity and eagerness to learn new things and make yourself better continually. Secondly, focus on hard work and persistence instead of thinking that you need to be naturally gifted. It's similar to knowing that practice and effort are the real keys to success in any area, just like a musician becomes great through dedication and practice. Lastly, see your mistakes and setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow, like solving puzzles. Instead of feeling discouraged when things go wrong, you view these moments as chances to figure out what went awry and use that knowledge to do better next time. By cultivating a growth mindset, you become like a superhero for your own life. You're equipped to handle challenges, learn from them, and unlock the door to a world of new opportunities, much like a superhero who conquers obstacles and seizes victory. So, if financial success is your goal, start by nurturing your learning superpower and believe in your capacity to keep improving and growing smarter. Cultivating a strong work ethic. A wealthy mindset is all about recognizing that the path to financial prosperity is not a walk in the park. It's more akin to scaling a challenging mountain. It's not just about being open to working hard. It involves a deeper commitment that encompasses discipline, unwavering determination, and a readiness to exceed ordinary expectations. Picture it as understanding that success doesn't just fall into your lap. It demands dedication and persistent effort, much like the determination required to climb a towering peak. It also involves setting financial goals and adhering to them diligently, ensuring you stay on the right course. Additionally, it's about going that extra mile, akin to reaching the summit with a flag that declares your extraordinary efforts. It sets you apart and underscores your unwavering commitment to success. By cultivating a strong work ethic, you equip yourself with the essential tools to embark on your journey to financial success, much like having a reliable backpack filled with everything you need to conquer the mountain. This not only increases your chances of success, but also sends a clear message that you are dead serious about achieving your financial goals. It's like having a well-thought-out plan for the ascent, which gives you a greater likelihood of reaching the financial summit. Surrounding yourself with success. The people you spend time with have a powerful effect on your thoughts and your financial situation. Think of your friends and acquaintances as ingredients that go into making a special dish. If you want to cultivate a mindset that leads to financial success, it's important to surround yourself with individuals who inspire and motivate you. Look for mentors and role models, like experienced chefs who have already achieved financial success and can provide guidance on how to reach your goals. Connect with friends who share similar dreams and aspirations, as they can be like teammates in a game, supporting and encouraging one another. Moreover, collaborating with others is like combining various ingredients to create a tastier, more satisfying dish. Pooling resources, leveraging each other's expertise, and generating opportunities for mutual growth. By being in the company of success-oriented individuals, you can create a positive environment that nurtures personal growth and accelerates your journey toward financial success, much like planting seeds in fertile soil for a better harvest. Embracing an abundance mindset. Moving away from scarcity. Thinking and embracing an abundance mindset is like changing the way you look at the world to achieve a wealthy mindset. Instead of thinking there's not enough to go around, you believe there are plenty of opportunities and resources out there waiting for you. Here's how you can do it. First, think positive thoughts and use affirmations. It's like telling yourself, good things can happen. By doing this, you attract good things, like wealth and opportunities, into your life. Second, practice gratitude. This means being thankful for what you already have. When you focus on what's good in your life, it's like shining a light on the abundance around you, which makes you feel richer. Lastly, go out and look for opportunities. Think of it as going on a treasure hunt. Don't be afraid to take some risks if it's a good opportunity. By doing this, you create more abundance in your life. By embracing this new way of thinking, you open the door to many possibilities, making it more likely for wealth and success to come your way. It's like changing your glasses to see the world as full of opportunities instead of empty. Overcoming obstacles and rebounding from failure. Think of success as climbing a mountain. Sometimes you might stumble or slip on your way up. These stumbles are like failures in your journey to financial success. But successful people don't give up when they stumble. They see those stumbles as chances to learn and grow. To do this, you need to see failures as opportunities to get better, not as the end of the road. Get mentally strong so you can bounce back when things go wrong. Learn from your mistakes, change your plan, and keep going. By thinking this way, you stay motivated and you become smarter and stronger on your path to financial success. Balancing personal and professional life. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is like finding equilibrium on a seesaw. On one end, there's the pursuit of financial success, and on the other, your personal well-being. It's crucial to strike a balance between these two aspects. To achieve this harmony, set clear boundaries and prioritize self-care to prevent burnout. Dedicate time to activities that promote both mental and physical well-being. The goal is to find that sweet spot where you can excel in your professional endeavors while also nurturing your personal life. This balanced approach ensures that you remain motivated, enhance your productivity, and enjoy overall well-being, which are all essential ingredients for long-term success and happiness. The power of visualization and affirmations. Visualization and positive affirmations are like secret weapons for achieving your financial dreams. It's all about using your imagination and self-talk to program your mind for success. First, close your eyes and imagine yourself reaching your financial goals, like watching a movie in your head. Next, say positive things to yourself every day, like giving yourself a pep talk. Finally, create a vision board with pictures and a journal with your goals written down. These visual aids will remind you of what you want. By doing these things regularly, you're training your brain to focus on your goals and making them more likely to happen. It's a powerful way to turn your dreams into reality. Tackling debt and overcoming financial struggles. Dealing with debt is a crucial step in achieving a wealthy mindset. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial success, but there are strategies to help you tackle it effectively. To address debt and overcome financial struggles, the first step is to create a comprehensive plan. This plan should systematically address your debts, with a focus on prioritizing high-interest obligations first. These high-interest debts, like credit card balances, can drain your finances with interest charges, so it's essential to pay them off as quickly as possible. Moreover, seeking professional financial advice is another valuable step. Financial experts can help you develop a personalized debt management strategy tailored to your specific situation. They may suggest approaches like debt consolidation or negotiating with creditors to lower interest rates, which can make the journey to debt reduction smoother. Finally, establishing a budget is essential. A budget acts as a financial roadmap, allowing you to see where your money comes from and where it goes. When creating a budget, ensure that you allocate funds for debt repayment while still covering your essential living expenses. This balance is key to maintaining your financial stability while working to reduce your debt burden. By implementing these strategies to address debt and overcome financial challenges, individuals can regain control of their finances and establish a solid foundation for future wealth creation. As you reduce your debt, you free up resources that can be directed towards saving and investing, further propelling your journey towards financial prosperity. Taking calculated financial risks. Having a wealthy mindset means being smart with your money. Imagine you're trying to make your money grow, kind of like planting seeds. To do this, you should look for chances to make more money, like investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a business. But here's the trick. Every opportunity has some risks, just like every seed you plant might not grow into a big tree. So, you need to be careful and understand those risks. Next, think of it like studying for a big test. You have to learn as much as you can about these money-making opportunities. That's where research comes in. Read, ask questions, and maybe talk to people who are experts in these things. It's like getting a map for your money journey. Lastly, don't put all your money in one place. Imagine you have different types of seeds, and you plant them in different fields. That way, if one field doesn't grow well, you still have the others. This is called diversifying. And remember, this is a long-term plan, not a quick way to get rich. So, in simple words, you're like a smart gardener, planting your money seeds in different places, taking care to understand the risks, and learning how to help them grow. This is how you make your money grow over time and work your way to financial success, building multiple streams of income. Imagine your income, the money you get, is like a tree. You don't want just one branch holding up your financial life, because if that branch breaks, the whole tree falls. To be financially secure and successful, you need multiple branches. First, think about different ways to make money. You can invest, start a small business on the side, or create sources of income that keep coming in without much effort, like royalties or rent. This is like growing different branches on your money tree. Next, imagine you're a student. The more you learn, the better your grades. It's the same with money. Learn new skills and gain knowledge to make more money. This is like feeding your money tree with good nutrients. Lastly, think of your income like a garden. You need to tend to it. Regularly check how each branch is doing and make changes to make sure they're all growing strong. This is like taking care of your money tree so it can provide shade and fruits for you. By having many sources of income, you're like a smart gardener with a strong and healthy money tree. You create a safety net, make your financial life stable, and get closer to building lasting wealth. It's like having a tree with lots of branches that can hold you up, even if one or two break. Developing an entrepreneurial mindset. Developing an entrepreneurial mindset is like a key to wealth. It means being on the lookout for chances to make money, thinking up new ideas, and then actually doing something about them. To do this, pay attention to what's happening in the world and see if you can find places where something is missing or could be done better. Be creative and think of new ways to solve problems or make things. Don't be afraid to take some risks and be ready to learn from what goes right and what goes wrong. By having an entrepreneurial mindset, you can unlock your potential as someone who creates and innovates, and that can lead to financial success. Maintaining a positive money mindset. Maintaining a positive money mindset is a key factor in attracting wealth and abundance into one's life. This mindset involves several practices, with gratitude being a central one. Expressing gratitude for the abundance already present in your life, such as your health, relationships, or a place to call home, is a powerful way to open the door to more positivity and prosperity. Equally important is avoiding negative self-talk and steering clear of destructive financial behaviors like overspending or hoarding, which can hinder your financial progress. Surrounding yourself with positive, wealth-oriented influences and affirmations can also reinforce this mindset. By being in the company of people who have a positive attitude towards money and regularly reaffirming your financial goals, you create an environment that supports your journey to financial success. This positive money mindset not only shapes your outlook on wealth but also acts as a magnet, attracting abundance and opportunities into your life, ultimately paving the way for financial prosperity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss an upload and you can enjoy the excellent content I send your way.